Hi there, this is Amanda Hill, and we're going to share with you how you can track your stats to people that are going to your ViUK and Visalus website. So let me show you what you need to do and where you need to get the code that you're going to use. So you need to go down to Manage Sites when you've logged on. Then you need to go down screen and you need to go to my ViUK marketing site, or Visalus. If you are a Visalus person, it's exactly the same thing. Then you need to go to Google Analytics, and what you're going to do is put in a tracking code from Google Analytics. Now, if you don't have a Google Analytics account, if you follow this URL here, which is google.com/analytics, that's spelled ANALYTICS, and it will take you there, and you will get here. So what you're then going to do is, if you need to create the Google Analytics account, you won't hit here first. So you'll need to create that first. And when you've done that, you will come here and then you will go to Admin. And from there, you're going to create a new account. Okay? So you're tracking a website. Okay? And you can put in here what it is. So let me just pause this video a second while I fill in my details, and then I'll share the rest with you. Okay, so I've put in what I want at the top here. And I can add anything else in there, so I can put keywords in there. Or whatever it is you want to do. Now you're going to need your URL, and I got that from here, which is my landing page. And remember, if you change this, you're going to need to change it again on your Google Analytics tracking. Okay? So let's go back to Google Analytics. So industry category, this is fairly new. And you can pick whatever it is that you want to put it under. So it can be healthcare, it can be whatever you think works for you. Okay? Now, do you want to share it with other Google products? Do you want it to be anonymous with Google and others? And this one is giving access to the Google guys if you want to do that, so they can find ways of helping you. Obviously, they're going to want you to go and spend some money with them. So it's down to you what you want to do. And you can untick these to whatever you feel comfortable with. So now what you want to do is click Get Tracking ID. You're going to want to read the War or Not, the War and Peace of Google that's going through there, and then click Accept. Okay? So don't get completely confused with all of this. All you actually want is this little tiny bit here. Oh, and it's not going to give it me. So let me just copy it all. And I'm going to go into a notepad. And then I can take it out of there quite happily. So where it begins UA and it ends with a number, I'm just going to copy that. And then I'm going to go back to my page on here, and I'm going to paste that in and save. What that will actually do now is it will give you a tracking code that you will be able to see what's gone on in that page. Okay. So let's just have a quick look at what you're going to see from the tracking data. You'll be able to see the visits, and you'll be able to see where people have come from and how many of them were unique, and countries, so all sorts of different things. So how many visits you're getting and your traffic sources, that's quite useful for you. So you'll get an idea of where your traffic's come from and where you then need to go and do some work again. So you can then do some more and see what it's going to do for you. So tracking is important, and I would highly recommend that you look at that, as it is very simple to do. Google Analytics tracking is now on for this, and do make sure that it is turned on, and setting it up is not that difficult. So any questions, leave a message underneath and I'll see what I can do to help you.